Hello all, it's Paul again. What project have we got on today? What I want to try and do is just minimize the drift on this President Jackson that I've done videos of in the past. And the two things that I'm going to do today is on four of the XTALs, the main ones being 10.240, 10.695 and 14.550. Just going to add a chassis ground to those, and secondly add heaters to the same to those three crystals. And what I'm using is 43 degrees, their terminal capacity, with a voltage of between 18 and 25 volts. That's the working operation. We're just going to be taking the positive or the heating of the heaters, which are clip-on. They clip on to the crystals, and we'll just take that from a switched source. Just for a matter of interest, I sourced these heaters from minikits.com.au in South Australia, in Australia. I think all three of them cost $7 each, plus GST and shipping. Alright, let's get onto it. We'll get the cover off and start working. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is just remove the speaker terminals, and I've marked the positive lead with the red text up. Okay, so the filters we're going to work on, I've marked the crystals. I've marked a dot on this one here, and this one here, but we're still going to run a ground on all four of those crystals. Okay, back again. Alright, we're just buttoning this up now, so I'm just going to swing you out back here. Alright, so what we've done is slide the clip with the positive side towards the non-interference side of the board, so we're not going to short anything out. Also done the same to this side here and on this one here. So we've done I've just run a wire in series. We've gone from one to the other, created a little cut and wrapped the positive terminal around it, and then we've ended it off there, and I'm just going to seal the wires with a bit of gunk. And then what we've done is run the purple wire in and out and through to the switched power, which is right here where the two leads are. That's going out to the rest of the radio. The orange is the one that comes in from the board up to the on and off switch. On top of that, I've just earthed out the cases there and there, and on these ones between here and the side of the crystal, and the same from this to this. Alright, what I'm going to do is seal these live or open connections here. And one of the techniques that I use is just ordinary modelling enamel, and in this case it's going to be black, and all I'm going to do is cover up the wires here against any accidental touching or shorting, and that will seal that off. Thank you. Alright, job done. So they're sealed off. All that remains now, I'll just run a multimeter across those to make sure that there's power getting to all three, and I'll put the covers back on. Okay, we're all buttoned back up again, and the first experience of this one, there's not many people on, but it's actually a lot more stable. It's not drifting backwards and forwards as it's sitting there. It was actually previously it was going to the left and slightly to the right. It's now just off on course, just off from dead straight up. All right, tests will go on, but that's your video for the day. Here we go. All right, that's your lot for the day. Remember, like and subscribe, pass any comments, and hit the like button, please. It all helps. Remember, you can do it. Thank you.